So a card's going to get selected. So for example, let's just say they choose the Jack of Spades. The Jacks will get placed inside the centre of the pack. And as well, we're going to cause a very big chaos. We're going to shuffle some cards face up into face down cards, just like so. And we'll do that again. Some cards are going face up, some cards are going face down, and we're just going to cause a really big chaos. So we've got face up cards, we've got face down cards, face up cards, face up cards, and face down cards. You just have to wait a few seconds. Now every card straightens out, every single card except one face down card, and that should be in fact the Jack of Spades, which is pretty impressive. But the most craziest thing is, it's not that card, it's the fact that all the cards are blue and you managed to choose the only red card.